this is going to be the new Mustang, or the newer Mustang, racing the old Cobra. The Cobra's turbo, and the Mustang's got a supercharger in it. I'll try to ride along and see if I can get some halfway decent footage. Here's Joseph's cluster panel. Got all kinds of. It's kind of like a race car, isn't it? It's kind of like a race car. Once again, I'm riding in the turbo, and the other Mustang's going to be supercharged. Not sure how this is going to work, but hopefully it won't. We got the old Cobra, got him on that one. We're gonna try it again.